students, today we are going to construct a line parallel to the given line. One question of the exercise 10.1 class 7th, chapter number 10, practical geometry. So let's start this question. Question number 2 says they draw a perpendicular to L and at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from this line L, and through X draw a line M which is parallel to L. So first we have to draw a line, give the name is L, then draw the perpendicular line on this line, given line L, and take a point 4 cm away from this line L on the perpendicular line, and from that point X we have to draw the line parallel to L. So let's take a line L and take a point anywhere on this line, it's P. Then for drawing a perpendicular line on this P point, we have to take the compass, open the compass for any radius and cut an arc which is a semicircle on this line L. So take the compass, place the pointer at point P, open the compass for any radius and cut an arc which is semicircle. Now this arc intersect the line L at the 2 points A and E. Now without disturbing the opening of that compass, place the pointer at point A, cut an arc. This arc and the semicircle intersect at a point. Give this name is C. Similarly, without disturbing the opening of compass, place the pointer at C. Again cut an arc. This intersection point of the arc and the semicircle is point D. Now, as we know that when we join C to P, we get angle APC is equals to 60 degree. Similarly, CPD, when we join this CPD, again we get 60 degree angle. Now from this 60 we have to use 30 degree angle. So for this we bisect this angle DPC. So how to bisect? We know that we have to bisect this angle. So open the compass, place the pointer at point D, and for the arc DC, open the compass more than half of this arc DC. Don't open the compass for the arc DC length. Open the compass for the length more than half of this arc DC. Place the pointer at point D, cut an arc. Similarly, place the pointer at point C, cut an arc. This intersection point of the two arcs, when we join with the point P, we get a line which is perpendicular to this line L at point P. Now this angle APK, we can say this is 90 degrees. Similarly, angle EPK is equal, this is also 90 degree. Now we have drawn the perpendicular line KP on this line L. Now we have to take on this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Now open the compass and measure the 4 cm on this compass. So after measuring the compass or opening the compass for 4 cm, place the pointer at point P, cut an arc on this perpendicular line PK. We get a point of intersection of perpendicular line and this arc. It is the point X. Now from this point X, we have to draw a line which is parallel to the given line L. So as we know that the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are equal. So we have to make the alternate angles are equal here. So this angle P, this is the alternate interior angle. If we draw equal angle here, so it will make alternate interior angles, and if we are drawing the equal angles and by joining that point, we get a parallel line. So let's take the again opening of the compass at the first point. How much opening of the compass, that same opening we have to take, and then this angle, that means this angle shaded pink, this angle we have to make alternate angle here also. So place the pointer for opening of this semicircle. What was the opening of the semicircle? That same opening we have to take and place the pointer of the compass at point X, cut an arc. Now then, this constructed arc intersect the perpendicular line at a point. Let's give this name is point G. Now here, this point E and the intersection point of the semicircle and the perpendicular line, this is the point F. This angle EPF we have to construct here now. So it will become alternate angles are equal. So for this, making the equal angles, what we have to do? We have to open the compass, place the pointer at point E and reaches the tip of the pencil at point F. When we get this distance, 1 point of compass at point F and tip of the pencil at point E, so this is the equal angle EPF. Then place the pointer at point G now and cut an arc. So it intersects the previous arc at this point. This is the point. Give the name is H. Now join this X to H. We get a line. Give the name is M, which is parallel to this given line L. So we have drawn a line L, then perpendicular line PQ on this L, and a point X which is 4 centimeter away from this line L. From this we get a point X, and from this X we have drawn a line which is parallel to the given line. So I hope you can draw a line parallel to the given line